Tiruvan University 2080 partial exam, BBS 4 years program, second year, Management, Fundamentals of Financial Management, MGT 215, new course, full marks 100 time 3 hours. There are 3 groups. In group A, there is given 10 questions. Each question has mark 2 and total marks of group A is 20. In group B, here is given 6 questions and attempt any 5 questions. Each question has mark 10 and total marks of group B is 50. Group C is analytical answer questions. In group C, here are given 3 questions and attempt any 2 questions from group C. Each question has mark 15 and total mark of group C is 30. Group A, brief answer questions. Attempt all questions. Question number 1. Write any 3 executive finance function. Question number 2. How does effective rate differ from annual rate if compounding period in less than 1 year? Question number 3. What is meant by systematic risks? Question number 4. Why is cost of internal equity always lower than that of external equity? Question number 5. Why does a firm formulate credit policy? Question number 6. Mero Hydropower has recently issued 10% coupon bonds with 10 years to maturity. Bonds have par value Rs 1000. The bonds make annual payment and currently sells for Rs 1250. What is current yield on the bond? Question number 7. Shuffle Investments has interest expenses of Rs 50,000 and perform dividends of Rs 7,000. If it pays taxes at the rate of 30%, what is its financial BEP in EBIT? Question number 8. You borrow Rs 700 today and promise to pay back Rs 847 at the end of year to find interest rate. Question number 9. Sujal Foods Company converts its inventory into finished goods in 25 days and it collects cash from customers at an average 40 days. Account payables are paid approximately in 20 days after purchase. Calculate the firm operating cycle and cash conversion cycle. Question number 10. What do you mean by mutually exclusive project? Give examples. Group B. Descriptive question answer. Attempt only 5 questions. Question number 11. What do you mean by working capital? Explain the factors affecting size of working capital. Marks 5 plus 5. Question number 12. For the most recent year, Powell Enterprises had sales of Rs 3,80,000, cost of goods sold of Rs 1,10,000, operating and selling distribution expression is Rs 4 lakh, interest expense is Rs 20,000, assuming a 30% income tax rate, what is the time interest on ratio? Question number 13. You are considering a purchase an electric scooter on installment basis. The price of the scooter is Rs 1 lakh. Down payment requirements is 20%. Average bank is willing to lend you required money to buy the scooter. Under the terms of the loan, it will be fully amortized over 3 years at the nominal rate of interest 10% with annual installment. What would be the annual installment on the loan? Also prepare loan amortization schedule. Marks 5 plus 5. Question number 14. Compute the value of the following stocks. A stock paid Rs 14 dividend per share which is expected to continue forever. B. A stock paid Rs 8 dividend per share in this year. Dividend is expected to grow at a constant rate of 6% forever. C. A stock paid Rs 16 dividend per share in this year. Dividend is expected to grow at 10% for next 2 years, 8% in the third year and then remains constant at 6% forever. Assume investor required rate of return is 12%. Marks 2 plus 3 plus 5. Question number 15. Read carefully the given information and find or calculate the component and weighted average cost of capital. Marks 3 plus 2 plus 5. Question number 16. Read carefully given information and answer the following question. A. What is the operating break-even point? B. What is cash break-even point? C. Assume that Pokhara Food is operating at a level of 6,000 units. Are creditors likely to seek the liquidation of the company if it is so in paying its bills? Marks 4 plus 3 plus 3. Group C. Analytical. Answer question. Attempt any two question. Question number 17. Explain the wealth maximization and profit maximization goal of a firm as the financial manager of the firm. Which goal would you like to adopt? Why? Question number 18. Consider the following probability distribution and expected returns on a stock A and B. Read carefully given information and answer the following question. A. Calculate the expected return and standard deviation of each stock. Which stock is riskier? Why? B. Calculate the portfolio expected return and standard deviation. Marks 8 plus 7. Question number 19. Read carefully the given information and give the answer of the following question. A. On the basis of payback period, which project should be chosen? B. What is the NVP of each projector? Which project should be chosen on the basis NPV? C. Calculate the internal rate of return IRR of both projects. Which projects should be chosen on the basis of IRR? D. What are the merits and demerits of each method? Marks 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. BBS फर्स्ट इयरदेखि BBS फोर्थ इयरसम्मका जुनसुकै विषयहरूको प्रश्नपत्रहरू चाहिएमा वी लर्न टुगेदर 1M को प्लेलिस्ट BBS मेटेरियल एन्ड क्वेसन पेपरमा गई खोज्नुहोला र आफ्नो विषयको प्रश्नपत्रहरू राम्रोसँग खोजी अध्ययन गरी प्रिपरेसन राम्रो गरी इक्जाम राम्रो गर्नुहोला र वी लर्न टुगेदर 1M अन्तर्गतका सम्पूर्ण भिडियोहरूलाई कमेन्ट, लाइक, सब्सक्राइब र सेयर गर्न नभुल्नुहोला। तपाईलाई कुन कुराको आवश्यकता छ त्यो कुरा कमेन्टमा लेख्दै जानुहोला, अर्थात् अन्य कुरा केही भएमा कमेन्टमा लेख्नुहोला।